One of the fears of Generation Z is that they may never be able to afford a home of their own due to prices as well as interest rates. But one mortgage banker in the Rio Grande Valley says, oh, that is certainly not true. Joining me now is Johnny Esquivel of Soutwest Funding, a mortgage banker. Nice to see you, Johnny.
Nice to see you, Bob.
Not to brag, but you're also the president of the South Texas Mortgage Bankers Association.
That is correct.
All right, let's talk about young people. Let's talk about some positive news for affordability and mortgages.
There's two main programs that are available for the new generation and everybody else who does not know where to get started or maybe short on funds. Number one is 100% financing through VA and USDA. And number two is down payment assistance programs. A lot of these people do not know or know all the details about down payment assistance programs, but they're here to help everybody become a homeowner.
Johnny, let's say you live in Tucson or even El Paso, possibly the Rio Grande Valley, and you want to see the territories where there are parameters for these 100% financing homes. How do you find that?
That's a very good question. And once we have the application, we get into our websites, and everything is by geocode, and we do the calculations and we do the math.
And what about down payment assist? Is it also by address or is that more by the individual?
There's two types of down payment assistance. One is with a state called TSHAC, and the other one is with FHA. With FHA, there's no limitations. Well, there is a limitation, but as long as you do not go over the lending limit for that area, you're fine. And with TSHAC, it is zip code driven.
Let's say a home is, yes, it qualifies. Your realtor checked it, the mortgage banker checked it, then what?
Then what, the family will get with a realtor, they'll do a earnest money contract, go forward, receipt it at a title company, and then from there we get the receipted contract and then we take over.
So, whether it's 100% financing, depending on the address, or down payment assist, depending on the individual, there's a lot of good news.
That is correct. And mind you that on these programs with FHA, the seller can contribute up to 6% of the closing costs. So the family could actually come in with zero money out of pocket, only paying for the appraisal up front and the earnest money.
How do you know if a particular home for sale that's in your price range qualifies for the 100% down?
The mortgage lender will do the research on the property and make sure that it does qualify and how much does it qualify for, or if you're able to purchase that house depending on your income.
So let's stop worrying and look at all the good products available through your mortgage banker. Okay, Johnny.
Robert?
A pleasure.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Coming up, nothing goes better with a juicy Italian steak than a mouth-watering burrata salad, and we have the recipe next.